So I put a lot of thought into this since the last time I made a video, and today I've decided totally to take the firewall out and replace it with my new firewall. So stick around. So the first step today is going to be me trying to remove all this stuff on the firewall, which includes the accelerator, brake lines, master cylinder, and get the pedal support off. But on the flip side, the pedal support could probably stay in there, but I got to get the steering wheel out. So and the emergency parking brake lever. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to put you on time lapse because this is just going to be slow trudge through getting all this stuff off of here. So here we go. All right, I have I think removed most of the stuff off of the firewall. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it out, and then I can start prepping the side cowls, because what I've decided is I'm going to take all this out and I'm going to just replace the tops of these. So that way I'll be able to fix the new firewall to the places where it currently is. And then once I get that done, it'll set the height of this. And that's the other thing. I did take some dimensions, and we'll go from there. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this sucker out. So enough talking, let's get it cut out. Yeah, it went from about 1,000 degrees out to about 75 in about 2 minutes. So I guess I'll keep working as long as the rain doesn't come in here. I might have to put the garage door down a little, but we'll just get back to this. But it's going, you know, it's just gonna take a while. So we'll get back to work here. Well, I wore out the tip, so I'm going to replace that and then get back to work. But I think I'm going to get the floor out today in the Firewall, and then tomorrow will be me cleaning it all up so I can put the new one in. Taking out the steering wheels, the steering box, all that good shit. That'll be tomorrow. All right, well, I'm done today. I got most of the Firewall out. Tomorrow I'm going to have to work on getting the steering wheel and the steering column and the steering box and all that stuff out of the way, and start cleaning up where I need to weld or structurally bond. So, and I really appreciate everybody's support. Like I said in the last few videos, I'm going to keep asking. I've had over 1 million views, and only like 2.5–3% of everybody that watches is subscribed. So I'm asking you, I'm begging you, please subscribe. Just hit the button. It won't hurt, and it'll help me out immensely. So anyways, thanks for all the support. Thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing, whatever. But I know you will end up doing what's right. So thank you very much, and have a great day.